We are going to upload some shapefiles to improve our web map. Let's import the layers to the platform. We must keep in mind that shapefiles are composed of several files, so we must join them in a zip so that we do not have problems. For our project, we have two shapefiles, one of communes and one of erosion. To begin, select the files from one of the shapefiles, right-click on them, choose WinRAR, and then select Add to Archive. Within WinRAR, you have the option to change the name. Let's rename it to communes. Make sure to select the zip format and then click on Accept to proceed. The same for the second layer and its files. In this case, let's name it erosion. To add the files, use the Add button. Once you click on it, you will see several options. For now, we will only use Add Layer from File. Let's select this option. We upload the first shapefile. In Map Viewer Classic, there are two options for displaying shapefiles. The first option is Generalized Features for Web Display, which should be selected if the files contain a large number of features. Let's choose the second option since our files meet these criteria and then click on Import Layer. The file is displayed and we observe that ArcGIS Online already defines a type of symbology that we will change later. We do the same for the second shapefile. It takes a few seconds. Our files were uploaded. To finish, let's save the changes made to our map. We have learned in this class how to import shapefiles. See you in the next one.